Can you sing a song?
Right now. Hello everyone. Guys, as you know, I have started the series of Zoom video call with my students and I am enjoying it. I hope you people are also enjoying it. So today we have one more student whose name is Rishika. But guys, before starting the conversation, I just want to say something about English. Two lines about English. English is only a language. It is only a language. It does not show your standard. Okay, it does not show your standard. So if you are learning English language or any other second language, don't take it as a pressure. Just enjoy it. Just enjoy the process of learning. Okay, let's move on to our conversation now. Okay, Rishika, just tell me something more about you. Tell our viewers.
Hi everyone, my name is Rishika Pawar and I study in class 9. My age is 13 years old. My school name is Convent Sarvodaya Kannada Vidyalaya, A Block, Janakpuri. And my hobby is dancing.
Okay, that's good. Your hobby is dancing. It is not possible for me. Otherwise, if it was possible for me, I would ask you to dance here. But it's okay. I can't ask you. Okay. As I know, you are in a government school. Right now, you are in a government school. Earlier, you were in a private school. I know this. Do you find any difference between these two schools, private and government? Do you find any difference academically or non academically?
Ma'am, main difference between the government and private school. In a government school are funded by local states or national government, whereas private schools are funding wholly and partially tuition fees.
Okay.
And government schools have more students than the private schools.
Yeah, it is a good point. These days, many students are enrolling in government schools. It is a positive point for us. Yeah, it is right. It's good. And what about your non-academics? If we talk about non-academics, we can say about music, dance classes, physical education classes. Are you provided with these types of classes in schools? In school?
Yes, ma'am. HP period.
Okay. We used to have super period. We call it super period in our times. It was super period, and we used to enjoy it a lot. It was a source of fun. Yeah. Okay. Now lockdown is there, as we know. Online classes are going on. How's your online classes? How they are going on?
My online classes is going amazing, but I miss my friends and teachers.
Okay.
Very much.
Everyone is missing. Everyone is missing. I can understand, but okay. It may be genuine for you students, but if I talk about junior students, they miss their friends. They say every time we miss our teachers, but they actually don't miss their teachers. They miss their friends. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now you are in 9th class. Do you find it difficult, easy? What?
Little bit hard, but not very easy.
You must have covered only one chapter of each subject, 1 or 2 chapter. It is easy.
Yes.
Students who study regularly, who follow a schedule, who follow a timetable, it is easy for them. But who don't study regularly, it is difficult for them. It is difficult for them. And I know you study regularly, so it will be easy for you. Don't worry. Yeah. Okay. Anything for me? Any question for me?
Ma'am, hobby.
My hobby. It is singing. You must know this. It is singing. I love singing.
Can you sing a song?
Right now, I can sing. Okay, let me think a song. Tare Zameen Par. As this movie is one of my favorite movies. I love this movie. Okay, so one song is. Okay. जैसे आँखों की डिबिया की निंदिया, जैसे निंदिया में मीठा सा सपना, और सपने में मिल जाए फरिश्ता सा कोई. That's it.
Amazing.
Thank you, bache. I wanted to be a singer. I love singing. I love singing a lot. Every time I keep humming. I love singing, but due to some reason, it was not possible. I couldn't take classes of this. It's a proper course, and there are so many things. I couldn't do that. It's okay. Leave that thing. So, how are you feeling now? This is my common question.
I'm feeling very happy because I'm talking to you.
You're feeling very happy because you're talking to me.
Yes.
I'm also feeling very happy. Students, you have become a part of my life, I would say. You students have become a part of my life, and I really enjoy your company. I really enjoy when I teach you, because teaching is a process where you teach and where you learn. Both. Teaching and learning. That's why I like this profession. Okay, so it's time to wrap up the meeting. And I would say, कि बच्चे, do hard work. Now you are in 9th class. Do hard work and take care of yourself and your family. Enjoy everything. Stay positive. Stay motivated every time. Okay? So let's say bye-bye to our viewers also. Okay, everyone. Bye-bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and do like, share, and subscribe my channel.
Bye.
Bye.